Imagine waking up to an email that says you've just earned $1,000 overnight from a blog you built from scratch. No office, no boss, just you, your laptop, and your passion, paying your bills while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, this is reality for thousands of bloggers in the US who've cracked the code. I'm here to tell you how you can make money with Google's Blogger platform this year, and it's easier than you think. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to turn your ideas into income. Let's dive into the story of blogging in 2025. And the blogging world is a $600 billion content marketing industry, growing by leaps and bounds. Over 600 million blogs exist online, with 6 million new posts published daily. In the US alone, there are 32 million bloggers, and the average blogger earns about $103,000 a year, according to recent data. It's proof that blogging isn't just a hobby, it's a thriving business. But here's the catch. The game has changed. Gone are the days of spamming keywords and hoping for Google clicks. Today, it's about building trust, solving real problems, and owning your audience. Platforms like Blogger, a free and beginner-friendly tool from Google, are making it easier than ever to jump in. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 28-year-old teacher from Ohio who turned her love for sustainable living into a full-time income using Blogger. Her story shows what's possible, and I'll share how she did it later. So, why choose Blogger in 2025? Let's meet Jake, a hypothetical 22-year-old college grad who started a blog about fitness gadgets. Blogger was his pick because it's free, integrates seamlessly with Google AdSense, and requires zero coding skills. Jake didn't need to spend months learning web design. He was publishing posts within hours. Blogger's opportunities are endless. You can blog about anything, from vegan recipes to personal finance, and tap into niches with massive demand. Its integration with Google tools like Analytics and Search Console means you can track your audience and optimize for growth without breaking the bank. Plus, with mobile usage dominating, 75% of internet users are mobile-only in 2025. Blogger's mobile-friendly templates ensure your blog looks great on any device. Jake's blog now earns him $2,000 a month, and he's just getting started. Strategies to grow and monetize on Blogger. How do you turn a Blogger site into a money-making machine? Sarah, our Ohio teacher, started small. She picked a niche, sustainable living, and focused on 3 things. First, high-quality content. Sarah wrote detailed posts like 10 zero-waste kitchen hacks, optimized for SEO using free tools like Google Trends. She posted weekly, building a library of 50 posts in 6 months. Second, monetization mix. She started with Google AdSense, earning $100 a month from ads. Then she added Amazon affiliate links, promoting eco-friendly products, which bumped her income to $500 a month. By year 2, she launched a $99 digital course on zero-waste living, sold through Blogger's simple e-commerce integrations, netting her $3,000 a month. And third, audience building. Sarah grew her email list using free tools like MailChimp, turning readers into loyal subscribers. She also shared snippets on Instagram and Pinterest, driving traffic back to her blog. Here's the kicker. Sarah didn't need a huge audience. With just 5,000 monthly visitors, she's earning a full-time income. The secret? Focus on the right visitors, people who trust you and are ready to buy. You can do this on Blogger by leveraging its built-in SEO features, linking to affiliate programs, and creating digital products like ebooks or courses. Future trends in blogging. What's next for blogging in 2025? The future is electric. AI is transforming content creation. 80% of bloggers use tools like Jasper for ideation, but human storytelling still wins hearts. Voice search is huge, with 50% of searches expected to be voice-based by 2025. Optimize your Blogger posts with conversational keywords like best budget travel tips to rank higher. Interactivity is also key. Think quizzes, polls, or embedded videos to keep readers engaged. Sarah added a quiz to her blog, "What's your eco footprint?" and saw her time on site double. Platforms like Blogger are adapting, offering templates with interactive widgets and voice search-friendly designs. The creator economy is booming too. 40% of bloggers monetize through subscriptions or digital products, and platforms like Patreon and Substack are growing 25% year over year. Challenge Challenges and threats in 2025. Let's be real. Blogging isn't all smooth sailing. Jake faced hurdles. Google's algorithm changes kept him on his toes, requiring constant SEO updates. Competition is fierce, with 600 million blogs vying for attention. Time management is another beast. 35% of bloggers struggle to balance content creation with life. And monetization? It's tough. 45% of bloggers find it hard to generate revenue early on. For Jake, the first 6 months were slow, earning just $50. The emotional toll hit hard. He doubted himself. But he persisted, tweaking his strategies, and by month 9, he was earning $1,000. The lesson? Blogging takes patience. On Blogger, you'll face platform limitations like fewer customization options, but its ease of use can outweigh these if you're starting out. Blogger versus other platforms. How does Blogger stack up against WordPress, Medium, Wix, and Substack? Let's break it down. Blogger. Free, beginner-friendly, with Google integrations like AdSense and Analytics. Pros. No hosting costs, easy setup. Cons. Limited design flexibility, fewer plugins. Great for beginners like Jake. WordPress. Powers 43% of websites, offering unmatched customization and SEO plugins like Yoast. Pros. Full control, scalable. Cons. Requires hosting, $2.95 to $10 per month via Bluehost, and a learning curve. Ideal for pros. Medium. Algorithm-driven, great for writers wanting quick exposure. Pros. Built-in audience, no setup. Cons. Limited monetization, no ownership, best for hobbyists. Wix. Drag-and-drop builder with blogging features. Pros. Visually stunning, all-in-one hosting. Cons. Higher costs, $16 to $45 per month. Less SEO power. Good for design-focused bloggers. Substack. Perfect for newsletters and paid subscriptions. Pros. High email conversion rates. Cons. Limited to subscriptions, less SEO focus. Suits writers like Sarah who prioritize email lists. Blogger shines for beginners who want zero upfront costs and fast setup. But WordPress is better for long-term growth. Choose based on your goals. Blogger got Jake started, but he's now eyeing WordPress for scale. Realistic earning potential and case studies. So, what can you really earn? Data shows 10% of bloggers earn $10,000 plus annually, with top niches like food blogging averaging $9,169 monthly. Take Pinch of Yum, a food blog on WordPress that earns $90,000 plus a month through ads, affiliates, and courses. On Blogger, earnings are more modest but achievable. Beginners can hit $100 to $1,000 monthly in year 1 with 5,000 to 10,000 visitors. Sarah's sustainable living blog earns $3,000 a month with 5,000 visitors, blending ads, affiliates, and a course. Timothy Sykes, a finance blogger, pulls in $1 million monthly, but he's an outlier. Realistically, with Blogger, consistent effort over 12 to 18 months can yield $1,000 to $5,000 monthly for dedicated bloggers in profitable niches like finance or health. Conclusion and call to action. Blogging in 2025 isn't just about writing. It's about creating a life you love. Sarah and Jake started with nothing but an idea and a free Blogger account. They faced doubts, algorithm shifts, and slow months, but they kept going. Now, they're living proof that your passion can pay off. Whether you're 18 or 45, in a small town or a big city, you can start today. Pick a niche you love, set up your Blogger site. It takes 10 minutes, and commit to 1 post a week. Join the 32 million US bloggers building their dreams. Head to blogger.com, grab my free guide to niche selection linked below, and start your journey. Don't wait for the perfect moment. 2025 is your year. Subscribe for more tips, hit the bell, and let's make your blog a success story. See you in the next video.